Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to add a calendar in OneNote. This is a fantastic way to keep your schedules and notes organized in one place, making it easier to plan and track important dates directly within your notebooks. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you've got your notebook open and ready, you're all set to begin the process of adding a calendar. This step ensures you're working in the right workspace before bringing in any external content. Now, to add a calendar in OneNote, we're going to use Google Calendar for this tutorial. Start by opening your Google Calendar app. Once you're in, look at the top part of your screen for the gear icon. This is your settings hub where you can access various configuration options. Go ahead and click on the gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on Print. This might seem a bit unconventional, but it's actually the gateway to exporting your calendar into OneNote. After clicking Print, a print preview window will open up. Here's where you get to customize exactly what you want to add to your OneNote. You can set the print range to cover specific calendar dates that matter to you, whether it's a week, a month, or a custom range. You'll also see options to adjust the view, font size, orientation, and even color settings. Take a moment to configure these settings so your calendar looks exactly how you want it in your notebook. Once you're happy with everything, click on Print again. Now you'll see the standard print window appear. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Destination drop-down menu and click on it. From the destination selection that appears, choose OneNote Desktop. If you don't see this option right away, don't worry. Simply click on See More and you should find OneNote listed there. Select OneNote Desktop, then click on Print to proceed. Once you've clicked Print, head back to your OneNote app. You'll notice a selection window has appeared, asking you to choose where exactly you want to add this calendar. You can select which notebook, which section, or even which specific page you want the calendar to appear on. This gives you complete control over your organization. Make your selection based on where it makes the most sense for your workflow, then click on OK. And there you have it. Your calendar is now integrated into your OneNote notebook, giving you a visual reference for dates and events right alongside your notes and tasks. This method keeps everything centralized and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.